Stay. Got it.
Get the carpet rolled up first,
Okay.
and then we'll get the mat, and then we'll work on the tack strip. So
Sounds good.
Step out of there.
Where do you need me?
Just step over here for me.
Okay.
Oh. Pull that end up, corner.
I got all the muscle right now, right?
Put your camera over here. You're gonna need to move that tripod. Yeah, see it's going crooked. Bring it forward just a little bit. Push it this way.
That's going by like that.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Whew.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's pull at these corners.
Okay. Just tell me where you're going.
Oh, I should have brought that.
Yep.
That's the fun part,
Yeah.
carrying this out.
Oh, honey, there's no way we can lift that. Where are we going to take it?
I was just going to put it in that little garden shed for the time being until we're able to haul it away.
And
So,
I think the best way would be to take it down through this way and out the front, because you're not going to be able to get that down to the windy stairs.
that's fine. Grab that end, flip it towards me. There we go. All the way over. Just like that. Hang on a second, let me get some duct tape. We'll bind that all up.
Okay. I know it's pretty obvious, as you can see. We are in the middle of getting rid of the carpet. Dan's like, hey, let's go upstairs and get the carpet up. And I'm like, wow, that's awesome. So as you can see, we're getting rid of the carpet, and we're going to be doing the padding as well and getting that out of here so that you can see what we have down here. And we'll be able to work easier up here too, because cleaning as we go on this carpet has been challenging. So that's one of the reasons why we want to do this quicker than sooner than later. Because it's hard to clean the flooring when all those debris is going into the carpet. Now we can literally just sweep everything, so it's going to be so much nicer. So here we go.
Well, that's funny. We should maybe do this late at night so the neighbors think we're carrying out a dead body.
I'm going to leave that on video. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. What are they doing in that house? That is awesome. I love it.
That's a great photo.
Push it in there. Thank you. All right.
And then,
Yep.
just roll it down. Ready? What?
My leg was over there.
Oh, I wouldn't have got you.
Alrighty, baby.
Going over here.
Yep. Got it? Nope. Come on, baby. You got this. There we go. Nice. All right.
Let's do it anyway. That's not bad.
No. Okay, I'm just gonna get a grip on it. Please watch yourself. You know, we could probably even stop. Just push it. Put it over there. I know, but let go of the carpet. Step aside.
Really, place to step aside too. Wait a minute.
You're gonna pick it up.
It's gonna slide it down.
Yep.
Oops.
Look at that, baby. It's not just sticking to the floor either.
That's
That is such good news.
it's really carpet pad.
Yeah.
Comes out good.
Well, you know how the one that's it may have been glued a little bit? I was really hoping that wasn't the case here. And it's not. So glad to see that.
The sooner we get this up, the sooner we get to see what the rest of the floor looks like.
I love this.
That's interesting. Seems like they may have had a wall there at one point.
A wall?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that?
I was kind of wondering why it was discolored. Be interesting to know the history of this upstairs more. Because if this was servants' quarters over here, then what was this room for?
Ah,
I mean, I doubt they had a big living area.
what does it say? I'm glad to see that there's more.
I love this.
Yeah, a
Oh
little,
my gosh, this is amazing.
refinishing. That's
This is in such good shape. I am so happy. Yes. So happy. Really good shape.
is that coming up right?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Good stuff.
Looks hot.
Yes, it is very hot.
That fan is downstairs, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in the living room, hon. Oh, yes. I wonder why.
I don't know.
That is interesting. And it is one straight in there. maybe a closet here or something?
Your question was, why was I just trying to put 2 earplugs in one ear?
That one I cannot answer, honey.
What?
That I cannot answer.
Can you,
How, Lexi?
where's my channel locks?
You brought them up here. What did you do with them?
Please tell me you're gonna roll them into the carpet.
It's entirely. Oh no.
You wanna-
What are you doing?
I'll take off the tax strips if you want to go pull staples.
That's a lot to pull.
You might want to get some earplugs too. I'm gonna be back in yours. This is not working for me. Because I'm gonna be hammering here. You might want to get some earplugs in.
I don't have any.
Yeah, and downstairs, one of those clear containers has nothing but earplugs and stuff. You know, down the wire shelves.
Okay. I'm gonna make sure we have this. It's gonna be ending the recording here soon.
Copper plate here. That's curious.
That is interesting.
You see what I'm looking at, right? Copper plate there, there's a copper plate there, and then there's one down in this corner.
Yeah.
Only those 3. That's interesting.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we got some great things accomplished this last week. Sorry, it's probably kind of dark in this room right now. We don't really have any lighting. This is the foyer of the house. The reason why I'm in here is I want to show you. We've got carpet pulled up. It's very exciting. This is one strip from the second room that we did. And the other one we already took outside to the shed. We will eventually be, again, sorry it's so dark, we'll be hauling everything off to the dump. But I just wanted to kind of show you just kind of what we've accomplished here. This is the padding from the second room. This is the first room that we worked on, as you can see via the video. This is exciting for us because it's original wood flooring still. Now they did paint it. You can see that it's kind of a red color. We are going to come in and refinish all of this and redo it. But now the interesting thing is that we were talking about this on the video. I know you guys probably couldn't really hear it, so I thought I'd go over it really quick. But we noticed that there's this strip along here, and it looks like maybe there was a wall there, or I can't imagine it being a closet because it's right next to the door here, so that would be kind of a strange place to have a closet. If they actually had a wall up there for something, because it's a different color on the floor, or maybe they just had something there before they put the carpet in that caused it to discolor. But either way, and we actually kind of had fun joking around about, oh, I wonder what that could have been, but it was kind of funny. But anyway, that's just kind of something that we noticed. And then we're going to go in here, and the very next day, we did this room. And this is the original room we started out with the paint and removal and all that. So we got this room done. So we have 2 rooms with carpet lifted. We're not going to do the downstairs yet. Right now we're just focused on the upstairs as far as work. The downstairs is going to be a long time to come. We just got a lot of stuff to do up here still and work to do outside. So we've got plenty to be keeping us busy, but we're just excited that we'll be able to refinish these floors and have all of it done. We have not done this room yet. That will be to come. Have not done the hallway yet, or the room that I use the hallway and this room for my workouts. We will eventually be doing this room, so that's to come as well. But it's just exciting for us because we were concerned about whether or not the wood flooring in this house, because it is an 1897 home, we didn't know if the condition of the wood flooring underneath the carpet would be healthy enough or good enough to actually restore. So when we ripped this up and saw that it is in really good shape and we will be able to restore it, that was just very exciting. Not only do you not have to expend money into new carpet, but you get to restore it to the original wood floors that it had when it was built. So very, very exciting for us. I know that that's kind of, might be kind of a silly thing for some people, but when you have original wood floors like this in an old home, you want to restore them if you can. So we were very excited to see that. So anyway, till next time, you guys, we're having so much fun with this. Please like and subscribe. We're just really enjoying this project, and to be able to do something a little bit different than the paint and stripping paint. We both just felt so rejuvenated this week doing this, because bringing this up and seeing the flooring and doing something a little bit different than the paint stripping it was just a delight for us this last week to be working on this, and it really felt like we were just so productive for something. So again, guys, until next time, we'll see you later. Take care, guys. Bye bye.